Hi, it's Mike's Unboxing Reviews now too, and today we're going to be replacing the rear struts on our E91. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so this is the BMW E91, the 3 Series estate from around about 2005 onwards up to about 2012 I think it was. But this one's got a usual problem where the tailgate is really heavy and the struts have basically died. So this is what you'll probably find, that it's not holding itself up at all. So you need to replace the struts. So we've picked up some struts. These are OEM replacements from Stubless. These are actually the OEM for BMW, so they're going to be good quality struts. So all we need to do is to fit them. So first of all, let's take them out, because this is not an easy thing to do. Ideally you need 2 of you if you can possibly, but unfortunately my second person is filming at the moment, so that counts us out. So with the struts, this is the bit which is important. This is the bit that holds it in place, and you've got that on both ends. And you should find that the struts, when you get them, they're kind of offset, so one faces one way, one faces the other. Don't twist them or turn them, because that will damage the seals inside, so just leave them as they are out the box. So the first thing to do is to remove one of the old ones. So in order to remove them, you need a flat bladed screwdriver, and there's a clip just here, and you just leave that clip out. And you should find with a little bit of a knock, sometimes these get a little bit rusted up, so you might need a little bit of help. And there we go, there's one of them. As you can see, this one's completely shot, it's all rusted to pieces. So now what I'm going to do is repeat that on the other side, or the other end. Just get your screwdriver under there, and then that should come off. So that leaves the ball joints exposed. So now with your new strut, literally it's just a snap-on connection. This one's already got a little bit of grease in there, hopefully you can pick that up. And all you need to do is to push that into place. It locks into place there. And the top one, using your hand to support it, just push it up a little bit further than it's supposed to go. And that puts that into place. So that should now support itself, or you can go ahead and do the other one. So again, the same deal, flat-headed screwdriver. There's actually an indentation in the strut, so go ahead, leave that off. Free that one up, and again on this side, screwdriver into the little connector there, the little spring connector, and then that should just pull off. You can clean these bits up if you wanted to, just get rid of any loose dust or debris. And grab your next strut. Again, a little bit of grease in there already. And you can push that on. And then again, on the same, a little bit of overextension. And just make sure that's all firmly attached. And now that's much more difficult to actually do, and you should find when you open it, get to a certain point, it will actually hold itself, and after a certain point of the extension it will actually raise. Now here in the UK it's actually really cold, so you can get cold weather versions of these. Obviously when you're in the States and other places, when you get colder weather it is going to be a little bit more sluggish, and you should find in the summer it goes back to normal, where you can open the boot and it will actually pop open fully. So there we go, there's how to change the rear gas struts on your E91. Thanks for watching.
Head.